I got an umbrella for fallout. Freaking got gunpowder all up my hair. Or whatever it's in the fireworks. They're throwing fireworks at each other right now. I know I'm not going to record them doing that, but that's what they're doing. Blew up on the car. Another one blew up on the car. They're doing a great job missing each other and getting the car. Narrate the situation. Oh, that got the tire. Come on! Got fucking way around each other, damn it. God, they're having so much fun throwing fireworks at each other. A special family bond. Trying to make each other blow up. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. What's Charlie laying it off? I fucking got Charlie in the butt there. What are they doing? Oh. Light a firecracker and stepping on it. Yeah, that's what they're doing. One night of fun. $100 pair of shoes. Gone in a night. That sucks. Mom was coming outside. Taking pictures. Aww. Take pictures and throw fireworks at each other again. Watch, I go inside and they're gonna start setting the fireworks off again. Bet. We'll see how this works out. They're gonna look up here, see that I'm not up here. Oop, up here. I don't fucking kill myself in the process. And by kill myself, I mean tripping up the stairs and hitting every orifice I can, falling down. My cat's not outside. Well, she don't know where she is outside. Alright, I live in the Resident Evil house. Maybe I could. This is how you know your neighbors don't like you. Even though I've done nothing to these fuckers. always nice, always kind and polite. Anytime they get huge parties going on, I always move my vehicle so they have places to park. Well, as soon as I sit down, it seems like those fuckers light them back off again. Get nice and comfy, get ready to game. I would record out my window there, but my window's covered by that big old tree right there. So, kind of hard to see the fireworks with that big tree. Better watch out. Mama's gonna get some fireworks and throw it at you. I remember when I was little, they used to have a big parachute that we had to play in. They would set it up as a tent. She was in the Navy, jumping out of airplanes, parachute. But yeah, she got to keep her parachute, and we used it as a tent. Granted, it only lasted twice. Last time we slept in it, we heard awful sounds outside, and the skunk was outside in the tent spraying it. So that scared all of us kids. We ran the house screaming bloody murder. Intruder, intruder, there's a skunk outside. I think there was all 6 of us that slept in that tent that night. We ended up all crashing on the living room floor. Ooh, Mama's drunk. Careful. They quit drinking for a while. I guess I do that in spurts. Quit drinking, then start back up. Quit drinking, start back up. It's about Mama's bedtime, I know that. They're blowing shit up left and right. Let's see, I'm 40 watt. That would make him 49. And his brother's like 32. I don't know how old they are anymore. Wait, no, he's a year younger than me. He's 40. Oh, duh. 39's my little sister's age. Jesus, Anna. Folks I grew up with, neighbors, so. They're blowing something up. I want to know what it is, but then again, I don't want to go over there because they're gonna want me to drink, and I'm not drinking ever again. Yeah, I do miss hanging out with those guys, though. I do. But it's not gonna happen ever again. Last couple of times, I mean, I was a fucking bad alcoholic when I was older. I mean, they'd invite me over every time. But I guess they say I was over friendly. I wasn't trying to get down nobody's pants. I was just trying to be nice, but being nice, people think that you want them, and fuck, it sucks. Women can't be nice, just be nice without the guy thinking they want them or want to, bang them. Like, fuck no, I'm just trying to be nice. But going on a rant, I'm gonna get off. Take care, everybody.